Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube Shopify Liquid programming series. I'm your host Bilal Nasir. We are here with the fourth video of our YouTube series where we will learn how to use case in Shopify Liquid programming. In other programming languages, you might find the syntax by the name of switch, and in Shopify Liquid programming, we use it by case and when. And in previous videos, we learned how to do mathematical operations. We learned how to assign a variable. We learned how to use if conditions and logical operators. Now is the fourth video where we will learn how to use case. Now without further ado, let's jump into the code. Okay, now let's see how the switch statement work in Shopify. Now first we will add a variable, assign, let's make it bakery item, and value will be cake. And now let's apply case to this variable. Case bakery item. Now when it's equal to cake, it will print this is a cake. And now let's apply another case where it will see if it's cookies. It will say these are cookies. Apply another case, another when in our case, which will check if it's biscuits. It will print these are biscuits. And finally, end our case. For that, we will use end case. So this is the most basic switch statement I'm writing in Liquid programming code to show you guys how it works. And now let's save it and see the preview of it. Okay, it's not printing anything, meaning we did a mistake, which is here. We didn't add a proper, we did a spelling mistake in our case statement. Now let's hit save again and hit refresh. And here we go. Now it's saying that it's a cake. And now when we change the value to cookies, it will change it to cookies. And when we type in biscuits, make sure you're not doing any spelling mistake and hit refresh and it's changed again. So that's how the case works. We can add as many cases, as many when statements, as many we want. And what if the value doesn't match any of the specified when statements? In that case, we can also use else. So if value doesn't match any of the above, it will perform following action and just say wrong input. Hit save and go back and hit refresh. And currently we have added biscuits. And what if we change it to something which is not available in these three when statements? Hit save, and when we hit refresh, it says wrong input, which we added in our else statement. So that was the most basic switch statement which I shown you guys in my screen. Again, it's a basic liquid programming course. It's a fourth video. If you are new to this, watch out the previous video. I'll put the link in the description. And for the next video, we will learn how the loop works in Shopify Liquid programming. If you want to learn, subscribe to my channel and put the bell icon on so you can get notification wherever I can create videos. Have a great day.